Welcome friends, here we are offering you MS paint testing panels which you can buy online also. The size of these panels are 150 mm by 75 mm and the thickness is 0.8 mm. So it is very easy to use and you can apply paint, powder coating, CED or any other type of coating on this panel. The paint manufacturing units, paint applicators, laboratories, OEM powder coating units, CED coating units can use these panels for their testing purpose. It is a smart and easy to use panels enable rapid prototyping, allowing for quick adjustments and fast production development cycle.